Krest Carpentry has been around since approximately 1986. Started off as me being a finished carpenter, and as we got busier, we kept hiring more people to help us fulfill the needs of our customers, from building new homes, renovations, additions. We love the challenge of a complicated project. Whether you have a design already or need some help getting there, we are able to bring the project together. The bulk of our clients are word-of-mouth referrals, which is a testament to our quality and integrity. We want our customers to know that we're going to bring them the best quality project with speed, expertise, and professionalism. Our attention to detail and excellent customer service has earned us a reputation of excellence in the Manitoba area. When you call, we will come to you and discuss your needs and wants and figure out how we can make this project come together. Whether you're doing minor upgrades or a full design build, give us a call. We are ready to bring your project to life.